instructions give your writing clarity by putting similar items into a similar format. For example, this passage talks about how writers use the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is an excellent place to compose because it allows writers to take advantage of hyperlinks, images, and text. The passage then provides 3 sentences expanding on these 3 items. Writers can create hyperlinks to connect information. Images allow writers to represent complex concepts. Ideas can also be explained by writers with text. As you can see, each of the 3, hyperlinks, images, and text, are discussed, but in a confusing way. Let's take a look at the sentences in more detail to find out why they are confusing and what we can do about it. The first sentence uses writers as its subject and hyperlinks as the object. Good, but the next sentence reverses that order with images as subject and writers as the object. And the final sentence uses a passive construction with writers near the end of the sentence. So, the author has some good points, but the sentences lack consistent structure. Let's revise to give all 3 a parallel or similar construction. The writers can construction in the first sentence is strong because it connects with the passage's overall idea of writers using the World Wide Web. So let's make this sentence our base. Next, let's make writers also the subject of the second sentence, then change the verb to fit with the rest of the sentence. Writers insert images to represent complex concepts. In the third sentence, we'll do the same. Put writers first as a subject and what they do second. Writers can also use text to explain ideas in detail. Now we have all 3 sentences in parallel structure. All we need to do now is eliminate redundant words such as writers in the second sentence and writers can in the third. Now we have a single subject, writers, as the focus, followed by the 3 things they can do, each expressed in the same way. Let's move the parts back to the paragraph, add a comma here, and the word "and" here. Let's read this part of the paragraph again. Writers can create hyperlinks to connect information, insert images to represent complex concepts, and use text to explain ideas in detail. We've used the principle of parallelism to bring together all 3 points in a clear, effective list.